Hello dear children, welcome back to your MSc online class. Today we will start with new lesson number 3, value friendship, and story is a friend's prayer. Dear children, in last video I taught you about value of friendship. We should understand the value of friendship. So today we are going to learn the story related to the value of friendship, and the name of story is A Friend's Prayer. So first of all I will read this, then I will explain in English as well as in Hindi. Let's start. A Friend's Prayer. Once two friends went on a long cruise in their ship. They were very happy and having a good time. Suddenly, a storm came up at the sea. Their ship began to shake like a leaf and drowned. The two friends jumped into the water. Luckily, they were able to swim to a small desert-like island nearby. They went around the island in search of food or other people, but they found none. Tired and desperate, and not knowing what else to do, they agreed that they had no other recourse but to pray to God. However, to find out whose prayer was more powerful, they agreed to divide the territory between them and stay on opposite sides of the island. So dear children, once two friends went on a long tour in their ship. He was very happy and was having a good time with each other. Suddenly there was a storm in the sea and their ship started moving like a leaf and sank. Both friends jumped into the water. Luckily, he was able to swim in a small desert like a nearby island. They both went around the island looking for food and other people, but they found none. Tired and desperate, and knowing what else to do, they agreed that they had no recourse other than to pray to God. However, to find out whose prayer was more powerful, they agreed to divide the area between them and stay opposite sides. बच्चों, यह कहानी दो दोस्तों की है। एक बार दो दोस्त अपने जहाज में एक लंबे क्रूज पर गए। वे बहुत खुश थे और एक अच्छा समय एक दूसरे के साथ बिता रहे थे। अचानक समुद्र में एक तूफान आया और उनका जहाज पत्ते की तरह हिलने लगा और डूब गया। दोनों दोस्त पानी में कूद गए। सौभाग्य से वे पास के द्वीप जैसे एक छोटे से रेगिस्तान में तैरने में सक्षम थे। वे भोजन या अन्य लोगों की तलाश में द्वीप के चारों ओर चले गए, लेकिन उन्हें कोई भी वहां नहीं मिला। थके हुए और हताश और यह जानकर कि और क्या करना है, वे इस बात से सहमत थे कि उनके पास भगवान की प्रार्थना करने के अलावा और कोई सहारा नहीं था। हालांकि यह पता लगाने के लिए कि किसकी प्रार्थना अधिक शक्तिशाली थी, वे उनके बीच के क्षेत्र को विभाजित करने और द्वीप के विपरीत किनारों पर रहने के लिए सहमत हुए। Now come to next paragraph. The first thing they prayed for was food. The next morning, the first friend saw a fruit-bearing tree on his side of the land, and he was able to eat its fruit. The other friend's part of land remained barren. After a week, the first friend was lonely and he decided to pray for a companion. The next day, out of nowhere, a dog came by and kept company with the man. On the other side of the island, there was still nothing. Soon the first friend prayed for a house, clothes, more food. The next day, like magic all off, these were given to him. However, the second friend still had nothing. So children, the first time they both prayed for food. The next morning, first friend saw that there was a fruitful tree on his ground and he was able to eat its fruits. But a part of another friend's land remained barren. Then first friend was alone since 1 week. He decided to pray for a companion. The next day, a dog came from somewhere and lived with him. Friend on the other side of the island still has nothing. Very soon, the first friend prayed for clothes, food, and house. He got it all like magic. The next day, although the other friend still had nothing. तो बच्चों, पहली बार वे दोनों दोस्त भोजन के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। अगली सुबह पहले दोस्त ने देखा कि उसकी ज़मीन पर एक फलदार पेड़ है और वह उसका फल खाने में सक्षम है, और दूसरे दोस्त की ज़मीन का हिस्सा बंजर बना रहा। उसके पास खाने को कुछ भी नहीं था। अब जो पहला दोस्त था वह 1 हफ्ते से अकेले रह रहा था। उसने एक साथी की प्रार्थना करने का फैसला किया। अगले दिन कहीं से एक कुत्ता आया और उसके साथ रहने लगा। द्वीप के दूसरी ओर दूसरे दोस्त के पास अभी भी कुछ नहीं था। जल्द ही पहले दोस्त ने एक घर, कपड़े व भोजन के लिए प्रार्थना की। अगले दिन जादू की तरह ये सब उसे दिया गया, लेकिन दूसरे दोस्त के पास अभी भी कुछ नहीं था। So children, this is enough for today. Rest of your story will be continued in next video. Thank you.